I don't think I hear you. I said Rainforest World Music Festival, how we doing tonight? So we're gonna try something right now, okay? Regenerations, roots and rhythms, this is all it's all. To close the night, our next performer needs no introduction. A living legend whose art has traveled across generations. A singer, a poet, a performer, and a true icon of Nusantara. Rainforest World Music Festival, are you ready for our seafood? Give it up for the one and only Dr. M. Nasir!
Oke, kita nostalgia sikit ya. Rock sikit. Lagi. Goyang, saya nak dengar orang yang kuat sangat menjerit itu. Goyang. kuat sikit. Kuat banyak. Okey, kita nak orang Sarawak berjoget ya. Okay? Alright? Mantera. Mantera, bang. Mantera. Alah, perempuan lagi kuat. Dalam awan ada hujan, dan dalam hujan ada lautan. Dalam aku ada dia, dan dia ada kita, ada semua. Okey. Ada hujan.